In this video, I'll show you how to make a Gmail account. It's going to be a full guide video. So make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Gmail. So what you need to do, you're going to click on this, your profile picture. You're going to be able to see add account. So click on add account. So you're going to be able to see this option. Click on Google. Click on continue. Click on use another account. Then from here, you're going to be able to see this option. So click on create account. Click on for my personal use. So enter the name. So I think I'm going to just use, let me say testing. I can enter this, let me say for test tutorials. So click on next. Then enter this required details. I'm going to just pick in any of this. I can name this, let me say 2000. So let's mail. Click on next. So right now you're going to be able to see this option. So I'm going to pick an email address. So I can just use, let me say for test tutorials sis. Just click on this. But you can still come on here and create your own if you want to create a new one for yourself. So just click on this. Click on next. So you're going to be able to enter this option here. So right now, as you can see, I'm done with everything. So what I need to do now, I'm going to click on the yes, I'm in. So this is how you can basically make a new or a Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.